China hands Trump the next America First stock as U.S. rare earth soars on export curbs. Easy for me to say. We looked a little bit at USAR yesterday. We've been talking about this one really since the news broke. This, along with MP here. Something remarkable just happened in the global resource chessboard, and it could turn into President Trump's next America First trade. When Beijing tightened its grip on rare earth exports last week, it didn't just rattle global supply chains, it lit a fire under USAR. The stock surged more than 15% Thursday morning as investors bet that the U.S. will double down on domestic production of critical minerals essential to defense and AI manufacturing. China's Commerce Ministry announced fresh restrictions requiring government approval for the exports of products containing certain rare earth metals, the same strategic resources used in everything from EV motors to missile guidance systems. Beijing already controls about 85% of global refining capacity and 90% of magnet production, giving it immense leverage in trade disputes. And with tensions running high again, this feels more like a direct replay of the 2019 trade war, except this time, Washington looks more ready to respond. Enter USA Rare Earth. The company is building a vertically integrated supply chain on U.S. soil, mining, refining, and magnet manufacturing, all without Chinese inputs. Even though it's still years from profitability and burning through roughly $100 million annually, an export ban from Beijing effectively creates a political momentum. Let me know if any of you folks have a longer-term view here on USAR. Does this news kind of change things for you? This has me thinking, because I don't think that this administration is going to give up trying to fight China and beat China in this trade war. And if USAR is going to be a beneficiary of that, because I still think we're going to need all these critical minerals and magnets, it might be a pretty good longer-term trade, or at least a little bit longer swing trade here. Trump's team has made no secret of wanting to secure domestic control of rare earths and other critical minerals. If the U.S. government continues in its recent pattern of taking stakes in strategic assets, as it did in Lithium Americas, ticker LAC, and Trilogy Metals, ticker TMQ, USA Rare Earth could be next in line. Essentially, when China constricts exports, America subsidizes production, and USA Rare Earth sits squarely in the crosshairs of geopolitical necessity. USA Rare Earth is still speculative for those betting on Trump's America First policies and in a fractured global supply chain. This might be a worthwhile